Wait, did you know that you can do skin retouching in Photoshop with just the brush tool? Yes, in today's video, I'm going to teach you the secrets and the fastest way to remove acne and pimples easily in few minutes. What's up, my people? I welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to look at how to get a clean and smooth skin in Photoshop without using the frequency separation method but just the brush tool. Alright, so I have this image here that we are going to work with. Alright, so I came across a new way of removing pimples and acne. As a matter of fact, a new way of retouching photos in Photoshop that I think is the fastest and then the easiest way to do. So in this video I have two images. I have this one and then I have this one. The reason is that I want us to see how best and then how good this method is. Irrespective of the skin color that you are working on, you can still go about and then use this method. So first of all, we are going to work on this one, and what we are going to do is to create a duplicate of the image, to drag it to this guy, all right, and then change the blend mode from normal to either hard light or vivid light, but I always encourage you to go in for the vivid light. All right, now from here, go to image, go to adjustments and select invert, and then go to filter, come to other, come to high pass, and then this is what we are going to do. We are going to move the slider all the way forward like this until you can no longer see the pimples or the acne on the face. All right, so this is what we are going to do. I'm going to move it forward. Let's see, like this. Okay, let me keep it at 9.0 pixels, or let's see, 8.6 will work for me, and then click on OK. Now from here, go back to the filter again, click on blur and then Gaussian blend. This is going to be the smoothing of the skin. So it depends on how smooth you want the skin to be. That is how you're going to move the slider. All right, so I'm going to move it. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to keep it at 0.4 pixels and click on OK. Now from here, let's add the layer mask. So click on this guy to add a layer mask, and then head over to image, click on adjustment, and then click on invert. All right, now make sure your foreground color is white, and then grab your brush tool. All right, and then select the soft round brush and then start to paint like this. You need to be very careful. Only paint off the acne, all right, leaving the eyebrows and any other thing untouched. Just work on the pimples, so you need to be careful. All right, now you realize that as we are brushing off the pimples, the acne, and then the skin is smoothening while the acne are being removed. All right, good. So this is the before and this is after. This is before and after, but you realize that after using the brush tool, we still have some errors here. So this is what we are going to do. First, we're going to merge the image. So select both layers, right click on it and then click on merge layers, and then come here and select the clone stamp tool. All right, and this is what we are going to do. On your keyboard, press and hold the Alt key to sample a perfect area like this, and then over the errors, and then click on it to remove. All right, just have to be careful with what you are doing. Let's try that again. Alt hold, and let's put it on like this. And come here, Alt hold, and you put it on like this. All right, so you can go ahead and then do that for the rest, just in case you encounter an error like that after using the brush tool. Good. Now let's move over to the next image, which is this one. So what we are going to do is to crop the image first. So select the crop tool, and then let me see, like this is okay for me. All right, then I'm going to click on this guy. Good. And then just like we did for the first one, let's create a new layer. Let's duplicate the image. All right, and then change the blend mode to vivid lights. Now with the blend mode, you can also use the hard lights as well, but it's always good to go in for the vivid lights. All right, now what the vivid light does is that it brings out the details on the image, or the details, I mean the acnes and all that. It brings it out. All right, now with that being done, on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+I to invert. All right, and then come to filter, go to other, high pass, and then just like we did for the first one, we're going to move the slider on so you can no longer see the pimples or the acnes. So I think 7.0 pixels with this one is good. I'm going to click on OK, go to filter again, and this time around blur, and then Gaussian blur, and then I'm going to move it forward like this. Okay, and then the Gaussian blur depends on how smooth you want the skin to be. So I think this one I'm going to keep it at 0.6, and then click on OK, and then add the layer mask. All right, and then on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+I to invert. Make sure your foreground is white. All right, and then select your brush tool, and then select the soft round brush. The opacity and then the flow should be 100. All right, and then you start to paint off the acnes and also smoothing the picture like that. Very easy, very simple. Even if you are a beginner and you are starting out with photo editing, trust me, you're going to love this method. All right, so you just have to be careful with the brushing. Decrease the size where necessary, and then increase the size of the brush where necessary. All right, all right, so I think this is good. Now this is before, this is after, this is before, and this is after. Now if you know you've learned something new from this video, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me to keep creating more content, and also turn on the notification bell icon because I don't want you to miss any new updates that comes up. And if you've not joined my Telegram channel, I'll link the link in the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel because we are learning a lot from that channel. Free stuff, free tips, everything about graphic designing, you can get it from my Telegram channel now, and you can also get access to me directly from my Telegram channel. So until I come your way with another video, peace.